Today's Wednesday. I haven't placed any trades this week, which is fine. Yesterday there was an opportunity I didn't took it because I was a bit scared yesterday. I was like questing, questing, quest, 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 questi, questioning myself. So yeah, I ended up not taking a long ride share. That's fine. So let's say like what happened today. What happened? So yesterday, uh, we had like a bit of a rangy day. We didn't do much. And today we have the same. We're going up, down, up, down. And what I'm looking at is, can we maybe trade down into this daily gap right here that we created? Can we trade into that or not? So I'm first looking for sells, or I don't know if I'm gonna push sells, but I expect some sort of manipulation leg lower. Is what I want to see. With equal lows right here, with equal highs, of course you're on all-time high, and that's our ultimate draw. But first I want to see some sort of manipulation lower. How deep can we go? We can go, like, I have to see, but I'm not gonna, if you trade into it, I'm not gonna go straight up trade. I need to be careful because we're in a bit of like a consolidation with no news day, so I need to be a bit careful. We opened up right here. I expect us to trade lower from open, and it seems like we are doing that. RTH high 20 October. Just like that. So you have 8:30, 9:30, and midnight right here. We're trading down already. We're probably gonna go into the gap right now. Let's look at ES on my right, and then quickly look at Dixie as well. I haven't watched Dixie good today. So this become a reclaimed gap or suspension block. And I'm looking for here. So looking for higher on Dixie still, same as yesterday. So yeah, I want to see higher prices on Dixie. I haven't really got a point for, okay, from here we have to go higher. Could do it right now. Really looked at it good. Okay, let's just quickly look at the chart. So I'm looking for this low right here. And if you look at the RTH, of course, we also have this. So how deep can we go? You can go all the way down towards this RTH gap and fill in some. We don't have to fill in the whole thing for me. I'm just gonna look how far are we gonna go. So it's the RTH gap right there. It's right there. Also ES, which is ES is gonna be the one that's gonna be lagging a bit behind. So that's our plan. We're just gonna wait now and see how far we can go into this gap, and then I need to wait the first half hour. So I will be there in the macro, and otherwise on 10, and otherwise on 10:30. Somewhere there I'm gonna put on the trade. Now I'm just gonna need to wait, and then yeah, let me trade. So okay, we have traded down into the daily gap. As you can see right here, let's go into this NQ. Trade down into this gap right here. I have to put the coordinates on as well. It lines a bit with the daily gap. So we hit it and we went straight higher from it. I'm not really interested in here this move. Where could we place a trade if we want to place a trade? I would say this candle right here. Maybe you get filled on here. But I wouldn't be filled right here if I would try to long it. Is it is something that, there's a 930 manipulation and then it just goes higher, but I'm now gonna go sit still and wait for a retrade or revisit into the gap. Otherwise I won't be part of it. So yeah, we wait for that. Probably even close into this gap. So yeah, it's gonna go for, like, we have buy side right here, we have buy side right here, buy side right here, buy side right here, buy side automatic. Yes, right here. Just took this low, but it failed. It failed this low right here, so you could say S&T right here. But I'm still waiting. I want to see. What I want to see right now is go NQ go deeper into the gap. Let ES maybe catch up, and go also into the daily busy, and then maybe make some sort of low right here with PDAV right here of a wick. We have the daily inversion, of course. So we have some PDAV. So I still want to see it also in the ES, but I think NQ is gonna go a bit deeper inside of it, and then that's why we also mark down this RTH open over here. And from there, I want to see high price. So if this 1 hour busy right here, and maybe even sell side right here. So we have to see. For now, we just sit still. I'm not gonna go short. I'm not gonna go long right now. I'm just gonna wait. And if it gives me something, then it gives me something. If not, then not. But now we just need to wait. It's probably gonna go deliver right now, and I can do nothing about it other than just watch it happen. So yeah, that will be it. And next one. Okay, so we hit it. We did some buy side right here. We left this highs right here, but I find strange is that ES isn't willing to go up towards the buy side. I don't know why. I thought ES was going to be the one that's going to be first taken. It doesn't mean we cannot go there, but it's just something that I think, okay, interesting. Why is ES lagging behind? And you see why I'm going lower. So you see ES going a little bit lower, increase above the 930 right now on it, and then why I'm going lower. So it's not decoupled, but something that should be, it should be like note. So yeah, now we're gonna see if we can maybe go up into this buy side, or if it drop lower, then making a new lower low. That's what I want to see. So yeah, we wait. The market could be decoupled, so I need to be a bit careful because, like, here's YM, so you have the daily cap right here. So I want VM to really sell off. I want to see ES sell off. And I kind of want to see NQ also gonna go one more time into the cap. So we wait right now, and then we will be back. So we are gonna take partials, but I would say that this is like a high probability for the trader into. But yeah, partials are always needed. But this CB also, I like this CB to be just like the minimum where, like, let's say we're gonna go even lower than the 5 balance, like some sort of in the future. This CB I want to see trade into at least, and I want to see that inverse, of course, and then go for the higher. So we're gonna be back when we have entry or something. Like, I don't want to miss this move. I want to click right now, but just need to keep my head up. So look at the chart, and we enter on this busy. We could enter right here. Okay, we're gonna buy this. Okay, we bought good right there. Stop is gonna be at, like, we have this change in the state of delivery. I allow it to trade into there, I would say, but with my stop, it's something that I can't really afford. So I will put my stop right here. We have two gaps right here. You have a gap right here, and you have a gap right here. This gap you want to see stay open. Got stopped right now. I just let my stop stay. I allowed it to trade into the busy right here. We traded below the 5-minute busy. I didn't like that, but it's fine. We have like a good target right here. Everyone who maybe went short, the stop is gonna be right here. Lunch is there in 8 minutes, and so I'm looking for I'm still looking for higher prices, but for now, I'm done right here. We got stopped. I let my stop stay, even though we were like 80 handles in profit and we went above this inversion. So maybe it was enough to say, okay, let's just call it right here and go break even. Then my stop would have been right here, but it's fine. I'm not gonna go for this sell side right here. We have like a clear target right now for the lunch or PM. So yeah, it's not done. Okay, so I'm back. We took the loss right here. Took the loss. And yeah, we could maybe go break even when we closed above this inversion. We didn't do that. Just place our stop, let it play out, and maybe I expected maybe in lunch to go higher. But yeah, took my stop. We lost 200, I think. We took the sunset right here, and we closed the whole. Uh, I don't know what we're doing right now. What's happening here? So we go all the way down towards the midpoint of the range. That's kind of. I didn't expect it. I expect this to be the low of the day, so I marked it as a long-term low. Why it closed the RTH of Monday. This was my objective where I want to say, okay, from here we're gonna go higher. I'm bullish on the daily. I'm simply wrong about today. I wanted to see some sort of manipulation lower. Of course, we got it here and it went higher, but I needed to wait. So we waited good. Took a long right here. Okay, fine. We took a loss. It's fine. I came back. Uh, I wanted to enter on this right here. We didn't get the opportunity. Then it went to the original entry that I wanted to take in lunch. This is like obvious for lunch. I said after 10, a lot of people were shorting. So the stops towards this high. So yeah, we traded lower into the inversion again, into the first presented. So went long on the weekly gap right here. My feel wasn't the best, but weekly gap over here. Put my stop on this low because I was SMT right here. We took that. It's fine. We had like a short-term low, mini low, and then I want to have a short-term low here again and just move. So I was confident that it still could move higher. For me, the low of the day was set. And as you see here, we were wrong. I don't know exactly what this is. It's moving like this all the way lower. Simply then wrong. But yes, fine. I didn't expect this. I was simply wrong on the day. I'm not gonna be that mad. I lost 3 trades and 600, around 600, and that shouldn't be possible. Now we like down 850. That's a lot. 850 on the count. We lost 200, 200, and 200. I think around there. 240 right here. I think. So this is my largest losing day. I think on a funded where I take like 3 trades, no break even, just all straight losses, and then I'm just simply wrong on the day, and that's fine. We will be there tomorrow, of course. And yeah, that will be it for today. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm done. So yeah, till tomorrow.